Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Color Block Jam Level 40. Your main goal is to slide the red and blue blocks into their matching colored doors. This level presents a unique challenge with its fixed obstacles and requires careful planning. You'll need to master path planning and spatial management to succeed. Let's dive into the specific strategies to conquer this puzzle. To begin, your first move should be to slide the blue block to the right. This action helps bypass the central obstacle, creating crucial space. Next, carefully move the red block downward into the available edge pathway. Remember to utilize the gaps between obstacles, advancing your blocks one at a time. Prioritizing the blue block's initial placement is key for opening up the board. For strategic block movement, always prioritize the blue block's placement early on, as it often unlocks subsequent moves. It is crucial to plan at least 2 or 3 moves ahead to avoid trapping any blocks. A good rule of thumb is to always maintain at least 2 grid spaces as a buffer around your blocks. This foresight prevents deadlocks and ensures a clear path to the doors. Here are some final tips for success. Always scan the entire board before making your very first move to understand the layout. Do not hesitate to use the undo feature if you make a mistake. It is there to help you. A helpful technique is to work backward from the target doors, visualizing the path each block needs to take. With these strategies, you will conquer level 40 in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.